Yo, yo, top of the morning. Got Fed news, Fed rate announcement at 2 o'clock. What other news we got today? Fed funds rate, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference at 2 and 2:30. Just right now, off the top of my head, I'm thinking it's gonna be a sloppy morning, probably. I really like to see us come down and take Asia low, but we have to get through this 1 hour order block. Thinking maybe a bounce at 875, but we'll see. Mm, 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 mm. We're gonna check in with the guys early today. Get a few different opinions and compare everything. See what everybody see, what everyone's thinking. But off of this 15 minute, I could see accumulation, manipulate down, distribute up. I can see that possible.
Yeah. Oh, she making noises, James? That early? How old is she now? Wow, that's pretty quick making noises like that.
She was just giggling earlier.
Oh, word.
She was laughing at your chargeback. Laughing at his chargeback. You might have do. I already did it.
Oh, so they gotta give you money back.
Yeah. Yeah, say F Apex.
Y'all fucking nigga, man.
They don't necessarily have to give you your money back, by the way. They could try to charge it back, and then they're gonna start saying that, oh, he signed the paperwork with the rules and blah blah blah. I be having them sometimes. They
Money's
really want
already
to fight
back in
about
my
it.
account, bro.
It's temporarily back in your account. They go under investigation, and then they might try to charge you back.
Go ahead and
Roger always got the come in there with the other side, man. We don't want to hear the side of the story, bro.
Bro, I had a situation with $3,000, bro. They fucking I charged it. Huh?
The vacation.
Yeah, exactly. The vacation. Fucking and I charged back, and then they went, and the people said no, you know, he didn't what you call it? He didn't cancel within the time frame. I'm like, how the fuck I would cancel when the fucking hurricane came? Like, and you know what? I wasn't supposed to go there, and they didn't care. It was an act of God or nothing like that. They're just like, and then I charged back again. I was like, nah, I tried to tell my credit card company would fight with them again. Same shit again. Ended up being that I ended up fucking having to pay the shit, bro. I even argued with Amex about this shit, and I said, you know what? Close my fucking card. I closed that shit, and like, fuck it.
I'll pay that. Hey, bro, either y'all charge this mug back or I'm filing bankruptcy. But I nobody wins.
Yeah.
Nobody wins. It's like, I ain't paying for it. So. I think they're gonna send you another whatever form telling you for your denial. I don't know, maybe. I don't know if that 30% rule is different from.
How they got a 30% on the drawdown though? Like, you can't make more than 30%. This is even more of a reason for us to trade only in micros. You can't make more than 30%, and you can't lose more than 30%. So, nigga, if you lose 750, you're telling me they could say you violated? That to me is like, that don't even make no damn sense, nigga.
Yeah, hold on. Let me go on Trustpilot real quick. Forgot about that last week.
Better give him that 1-star review. Right, playing. Hit him where it hurt, bro. It did you like that. Tell him we ain't gonna stand for this mess. James, you gotta hit him where it hurt, man. At least try to, the same way they did you.
It's funny, I was out driving home. I'm like, man, I should make it a goal to try to get into the live account and blow that crap up. Because you're like, like what you just said, you gotta make get it where it hurts.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, I should. But I'm like, nah. Then I gotta spend money with them again. So I try to work myself up till I get to the live account and say, F y'all, max contract, and blow they flop funding. I'm like, nah.
Who that's gonna hurt, bro? Them or you?
It's gonna hurt them. I'm not losing money.
You lose the money because you had to pay for it, though.
Say what?
You gonna lose money because you had to pay for the account.
Yeah, but compared to if I'm spending like $16, $30, $100 all in, and then they transfer me to a live account,
28.
I blow their account, they losing more money than I am.
Yeah, what they're doing is they're gonna shut it down real quick. The only way you'll be able to do that is if you can catch them on the news. where it skips the stop. That's when you blow that bitch.
Yeah.
When it skips stops, and because I've drawn a countdown, it was a combine account, but I drawn a countdown to 45,000. Like, how the fuck it didn't catch the stop or nothing? It just
Yeah, max contract, boy. CPI.
they might come after you for that money and say you owe them money. You
Wow,
might
they're canceling everything. They're coming to nobody.
You better check the
They ain't gonna
rules.
find me.
Check
that's
the
why
rules.
that's why they stop motherfuckers from trading news for that very reason right there. Because they know people that are disgruntled and might not give a fuck and just max contract and blow their shit up. And obviously, if it jumps stop and it's live, that means it's real money. Ooh, man, they'll probably ban you from forever.
Bro, they're not their only prop firm. Like, they can ban me all day.
Yeah, but now they can talk to each other. They'd be like, yo, they call up Bullet Knox and I banned this nigga Jay.
Yeah, right.
They gonna call up Top Step, talk about ban this nigga James.
They're like, nah, he's been here making money.
Top Step don't fool with Apex. What? They ain't friends.
They don't like Apex.
Exactly.
I know.
Shit.
Them niggas gonna be like, they gonna be laughing. They be like, good. Like, James over here, he making money. Man, you got no stupid.
They probably even call you by your real. They probably even call you by your real name. Talk about, oh, Jigga James, he over here.
7 seconds. We got a 15-minute gap above. 9:30 open.
She been in it. I don't know if I believe in the down movement until she break that news, the 6 o'clock handle. If she don't do that, we going up.
Going down, girl. Get on down.
She in the OTE right now. She can go down to OTE.
She can go to previous day low.
See when she suck back up. Let's see.
Mm.
9:30.
So Netflix is the one everyone needs to own. It's your primary service on streaming. It's 32 times cash flow. Even cash. So Disney is far below Disney's 10-ish. Yes. But then WBD and Paramount are 6 and 7.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the market saying who's got the better positioning. This is going to be the best reaction to Disney earnings in about a year. I think got a Q4 of last year, but it's flat over 10 years. It's flat over 5 years. Yeah, 100 was a kind of a beacon for a while.
To your point, the stock inhabited far higher territory prior to the pandemic.
We now call Operation Warp Speed, which brought us a lot of those deliverables during the pandemic.
Without a doubt, and was in part pushed out as a result of that. This is not just.
Mm. 15-minute gap, 15-minute order block.
You know somebody got chopped up right the fuck there.
Not in this group.
Patient, we in the 15-minute gap right now. What you want to do? Want to be baller, shot caller, brawler. We already in a 15-minute gap as well. BPR, 15-minute BPR, and a 1 hour. So we already took previous day high.
Mm-hmm.
We took previous day high and open. Okay. I see it. We might run for the lows then.
Oh, where is the liquidity at?
Took the highs already. Liquidity could be down here. But I want to see her shift on the 1 minute. We got no gaps yet. No gaps.
But Netflix still pushing. Despite the tariffs.
We got FOMC today, so don't go crazy.
Palantir getting loose with it.
Might be a wait till 10 o'clock.
Oh, definitely.
Wait till-
Definitely wait until 10. Might wait till lunch.
Yeah, I gotta talk to myself about that.
Talk to that other guy.
Yeah,
You be pressing the
that
button.
nigga don't be listening. Boy, that nigga be harder than that.
And that video, they say, "What you doing?" You can get his money back. They ain't finna leave with it.
I swear, sometimes you trade and you have an out of body experience. Like, why the fuck did I do that?
I done been there. I done had time where I'm looking at the screen and then my finger just clicked the button, clicked the mouse, and I'm like, what? Where did that come from? Like, who told my finger to do that?
Yeah.
Who told my finger to press the button? Like, I don't. The message didn't come from the brain. Where did it come from? And then at that point, you're like, well, let's just see what happened. Lows.
Yes, took their low out again.
Sometimes when I'm looking at it and I got my hand on the mouse, I just got to move my hand because I don't know, fingers just push it sometimes.
Really acting like she want to go down.
RTH gap small as hell.
She acting like she want to go down, which I feel like, you know what happens when the RTH gap small.
ES already in figures. We got a fail low on NQ, but not on ES.
Drop that thing, go.
Oh, he in it.
Took the 15-minute gap.
You know, Jarrell,
That
listen,
thing,
we all here patiently waiting. This nigga clicking buttons.
That's a James. I mean, that's a James entry right there. 15-minute gap.
Yeah.
CE of the gap. Order block.
Wait,
920.
she chopping around. I'll wait.
That's 50 points. She done gave you 50, Jarrell. What you holding for?
see what she gonna do. I'm in micros.
All right.
I think she going down to that outlet. I'm covered though.
Mm-hmm.
So
Looking for the hourly swing low.
yeah, 800, 19,800.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at how we bouncing off that last hourly down candle.
Yeah, I can see that. Asia
4
low.
p.m. candle.
The way we bounced up at Asia off that news, yeah, we'll come back and get that. That's what I'm looking for.
Hey, Jarrell, should I buy it up?
Weird.
You need liquidity, don't you?
He be coming up. She ain't giving me no sign of going up just yet. The only thing I'm looking at is just fail low.
This right here is what I'm looking at. I'm waiting until she break that 5-minute candle. That the first 5 minutes she just wicked. It was basically a wicky candle right here. So I want to see her do something outside of that. This right here, the 1 minute. Ain't no gaps. Ain't no gaps.
See,
So
D,
she's struggling right now to go down. She might go back that way and hit Darrell's stop right around here.
I was gonna say that's what we've been missing. D, don't nobody be calling out the opening range gap.
It's only like 24 points today.
Deontay said yeah, it's small.
Mm-hmm.
Said it's tight, like a virgin booty.
And the first 1 minute gap, you know, D good for calling that up. I be catching.
Hey, I haven't even been trading that much lately though.
I don't trade it, but I like to put it on the screen.
Wait, shit, we don't have one.
Nah, not yet, but still. I'm thinking about it now, but you know, usually if D ain't here, don't nobody call it.
I don't want to talk Jarrell out of his trade. Go ahead, hold Jarrell. Hold the line.
I'm out of there already.
Oh, okay. Hold the line. She coming back.
Looking at that fail low, but it's just working. Or no entry on the 1 minute, something like that.
Press the brakes right quick.
We came down to 875, that 1 hour order block.
Mm-hmm. And that's kind of what I was like trying to see if that was on hold.
Yeah.
Instead of to go up.
I had mentioned it earlier. 8:30, 1 hour order block. 1 hour, you need a shift on the 5. Right here. That'll be the first shift after 9:30. Wait till 10. Yo, Mo, morning, bro. Wait until 10 today. I ain't doing that right now. Fed funds rate though. It's an options trader payday right here.
Now we got our first percent fair value.
True option trader. It's payday, yeah. Vine was good, bro.
I'm fucking serious right now.
You want 50% of it, huh?
No, I wanted the opening of the order block. She literally came. She might come back and get me now.
I took it on some.
See him. See him.
Okay.
You brought it from 905. I see what you brought. But is 930 the order block, or is the 934 down, consecutive down count the order block? 930 the lowest down close candle.
Equalize, 1 minute, down 20.
Yeah, but it's the chain. When it's all of them back to back, it's like this on a higher time frame. This is one candle. Like if you look at the 3 minute. Well, damn, they got more. Shit, she came out. Fuck, man. You gotta be shitting me right now. I'm about to jig this bitch. See, this is exactly what fucking be happening.
Don't do it, bro. This is not your entry. This is not your trade. This ain't your time. This ain't your entry. Chill.
Wait for your silver bullet.
Yeah, man. Chill.
That was one of my silver bullets right there. The first gap.
That's the first fair value gap. That's not a silver bullet, bro.
It's
you gonna make it a silver bullet, huh? 20 seconds to the 5 minute.
This type of shit right here, that should be pissing me off because I would have been out.
You ain't got the time on, man. You got 10 seconds to a new fight.
That should be pissing me off. I would have been in and fucking out. I had my 25 points. Look at you fucking out all the way up there. We shifted on the 5 minute now, guys. For these right here.
Mm-hmm. You gonna get in now or let her come back?
I'll move this back.
You gonna get in now or let her come back? What you gonna do?
I said, let me stop. I'm gonna make you jig it.
I'm already jigging it.
What's your target, James?
I mean, this is Sims, so I don't know, but my target, if this was a real trade, would have been 961.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, you gotta look at, because it's in bearish fair value gaps, so you gotta deal with the retrace if it retraces back. Let me see, check the 15 minute. So if it comes down, rebalance this.
There go your entry, bro. If you want to get in, if you want to go long,
be good. If not,
that's your entry.
And
if you still believe in that loan.
So on the 15 minute, if it doesn't want to leave no gap, then it's gonna go up and go get that high. See how we did that? Went down, 15 minute, close it.
See the entry,
balance.
entry at 907?
Should start climbing back up if it really wants to go up. So like, this is stuff that I like to look for.
Yeah, I go again, talking on mute. Entry was at 906.50, Brody. That's what I was saying. If you wanted to get in on the loan, that was your best entry. Not at 920. But you done got stopped out already, so that's a lesson for another day. Another trade.
Look at the screen.
Niggas already jigged it.
Oh, bro, you sharing
look
the
at the screen, Jeremiah.
Oh, you sharing the screen? Okay, look at you.
Now that was 650.
Okay, look at my boy. Look at my dog. Okay. You learning shit. We listening. Okay.
Jig it.
Look at my dog, man.
So now what I would be looking for is for this 5 minute to close green.
Okay.
So close the bearish fair value gap and then start digging through the second bearish fair value gap.
My dog be paying attention, man. First 5 minute shift after 9:30. Wait for it to come back to the order block. Man.
What are you holding, Broderick? And I'll walk you through it, bro.
Walk us through it, bro.
Oh, you trying to go way up there?
961.
Oh, dang! You trying to go down to 73?
Nah, that's just the what you call it?
You do got equal highs up there.
ATM.
Equal
Yes, made a high.
20, 30.
This is nice. This is nice. You better hold it, bro. I swear, if you do a Deontay, bro, I'm
Hey, don't bring that foolishness into this.
Don't call me. Don't be calling my dog name like that. My dog a changed man, dog. Don't be doing that to my dog, man.
Deontay got to show me that he's a changed man.
Dog a changed man, dog. Don't be doing that.
I ain't gonna lie, G. It's different when I in PA versus Combine. Those emotions, heartbeat, get the racing and everything.
Ooh. Dang.
Jeez, sir. James.
See, that I don't expect, man. When that happens, I'm like, hey, bro.
That was dirty.
Where you stop at? Oh, you stop at, okay.
That was dirty.
Yeah, but that was violent, bro. That
I don't like that. I would have got
5 minute
that was
VPR,
dirty.
5 minute gas, 5 minute VPR. Damn.
That was a little too violent for me.
Order filled.
Go ahead and close that. Yeah, go ahead and close that.
Yeah, nigga been closed. Shit.
It was not supposed to do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, the way he came back, bro, it came back like it's too quick.
Yeah, that was.
Nigga been closed. That.
He said it froze the computer.
Y'all didn't see that? My computer froze for a second.
It froze the computer. So it just took this low. So that if it rejects and comes back up,
I'm mad.
I would have jig it. That's just me though.
Nah.
But okay, it closed. So nah.
Look like you going short. Me the 1 minute Bears gap.
Yeah, we're going short now. But see, this is what I was talking about. See, like I needed it to close that 5 minute gap. If it didn't close that 5 minute gap, then I don't trust it. And then that they just rejected. Yeah. That was violent.
That's your first warning. That's the first warning shot.
Yeah, I think we're going short. Let's see. 1 minute. 88 rebalance. We got news today?
Got big news today.
FOMC at
2 o'clock.
Oh, dang. Nah.
Got big news today.
FOMC is going to mess up the whole thing.
Yeah, they're going to clear the board.
Yeah, you gotta go for short targets with FOMC, bro. You gotta go for short targets. I think last month FOMC straight tore my mouth out, man.
Eight minutes.
Federal funds rate, man, that thing gonna go crazy. Federal funds rate, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. Oh,
they'll probably take out.
When's CPI?
My weekly target is previous week low.
Oh, CPI next week. Okay. CPI was this week. Okay. All right.
So
John, you still gonna trade Apex, bro?
Who you talking to me?
Sean.
Sean is like a loyal dog. He gonna trade everything, man.
I mean, if they didn't reset his thing, he should be good. I mean, he's got to do another 8 days, which sucks. But then even when he does his 8 days, he won't be able to pull out the money from his thing or from the. So the best strategy to go with that is to trade light and like try to get to the minimum. I think the minimum was like what 500 or something like that, or and then do another 8 days to get the full 1,000. What these kids think too much TV, bro?
I'll be mad, so mad if she fucking runs up right now. She went to the gap. All right, boom. She about to drop. I was finna take the short off of this 1 minute gap.
What they gonna do? I mean, what they gonna do?
My bad, James. You said my name.
Oh, good.
ST is low.
Trading with them.
Oh man, let me show you what I found out. Let me send a picture to y'all.
Oh,
Hey, how you
man.
Fine. You say what's the trading models? Entry model. I like to use order blocks, but I use a gap if I see where it's going. Macros. I got a guy, my one of my trading bros. He like macros. I ain't too big on macros. And right now, man, I think wait until after 10 to look for something clear will be the best strategy for the day. But with it being FOMC at 2 o'clock, avoiding the entire AM session is not a bad idea. Just avoiding the whole entire AM session because the market should give clean setups after 2:30. I say after about 2:45, should get some clean setups, nice ranges. Yeah. You're really trying to push your edge trying to trade this morning. Knowing we got a big news event that could wipe out the board. And when I say wipe the board, I mean they could 2 o'clock we could run up, take these highs, and come down and take these lows. Or they can come down and sweep these lows and then run up and take the highs. Or take a high, a low, and then run for the highs again. Like FOMC, it's gonna get wild today. It can get wild, I'll say that. That's my expectations. And that's how I'm looking at it. Definitely can't see on this 1 hour. I can see us running up off the 1 hour. We bounced off the 1 hour order block right here. Let's see what the one did. Order block came down again. Look how we keep coming to the order block. Down again. Inverted this gap. Shift above here. Let's see if we got an SMT. S&T right here. Got another S&T here. NQ went deeper. So they all showing they not trying to go down right now. So that lines up with the 1 hour. 3 minutes till 10 to see if it continues. YM is the leader. YM is the only one that closed above the down candles on the 15-minute. So it's leading the push up. ES trying. NQ weak again. They've been starting off weak for like the last 2 weeks. Mm. I might go back to ES, man. We'd have took it off ES. We'd have took the shift right here. Stop below the low. That drop would have never been. Came close to stopping us up. Hey, Vine or Van, man, you cool, man. You can talk if you want to. $10. Sweat the lows before 8 o'clock. Before 8:30. Sweat the lows, made a low, made a lower low, lower low. Shift on the 5.
Oh, you gotta wait for the candles, bro. That's why he say the same thing that happened on the 1, happened on the 5, happened on the 15, happened on the 4 hour. All that shit's fractal. So you just gotta wait, bro. Because one thing about it, we be on this motherfucker talking all day anyway. So if you ain't taking no trade, you just waiting while you still on here, or you in the background just taking trades and shit. Or we gonna be on here talking like, man, 5-minute gap, it shifted, man. I'm holding, I'm finna wait, and we finna see what we gonna get, bro. Put on the risk that you're willing to lose, bro. You know you could potentially lose 200. Put your 200 on, and we could talk about some other shit. Ain't nothing we could do. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to that point. Like,
it is what
once
it is.
it is what it is, bro. Once you press the button for, you already lost.
Pretty much. That's how you got to think about it. As soon as you press the button, you got to think, I already lost.
I'm already down 200 right now.
That's why you
press the button.
That's why you got to know what you're risking. Like, whatever you're risking, yeah, you got to already put it in your mind. It's already gone.
Exactly. And I'm saying that because even in combines or even in PA sometimes, bro, like, same thing you say you do, man, I'm trying to pass that bitch fast. Now I'm pressing the button. Now I got my fucking 30 micros, 40 micros on, shit like that, bro. When I don't even know how much I'm risking that because I'm just simply clicking the button. Come on, dude. I said these 5-minute candles. If you just don't look at the 1 minute, just stare at the 5, you gonna tell yourself ain't nothing bearish about this yet. So you can, you know what I'm saying, accept what it's giving us. It ain't, as long as it don't close below green candles on the 5 minute, accept pullbacks and just assume it should keep going higher. See, you know, 1 minute to show you everything you wanted to show you, but your break on the 5 minute to be like, all right, I'm finna short this. Because right now, it ain't closed below no green candles to be like, let's short it. So shit, hold it, bro. And just watch the 5-minute candles. I just don't, like I said, I just don't really like to have a 5 minute.
If you look to the left on a 5 minute, you still bearish.
That's what I just said. You heard me? Yeah, I just said that. That's why I'm like, I don't really like how the 5 look though. Like,
it's not clear. Not as clear as you want it to be.
I mean, if we gotta get out of it. It's probably gonna tell you this. Damn, what I see. Still care.
Oh, she went to that 5 minute. There you go. That's what we were talking about. Now,
waiting for James. You know, that's James' entry. 5-minute gap.
That's the silver bullet right there. After 10, first 5-minute gap. I have to leave and push up. Go get that high 63. Get the target. That's almost 50 points right there. Look at that.
Y'all don't expect me to trade this patient every day.
The market gonna show you that.
This shit is itching. This is
it is.
Market.
You know what
results.
Ain't
you gonna sit you down, man?
You know what results you're gonna get.
Look at this, man. This is what you want to see, bro. This is beautiful. This is what ICT be talking about. Price action, man. Watch what the candles are doing.
Mm-hmm. Don't look at the amount. Don't look at the
money, man. Don't look.
That's when you ready to close and ready to do this. But just look at just
let it play
just
out.
look at what we talk about, you know, in regards to what he be saying. But like you said, we still kind of bearish on the 5. I just don't like that.
She needs to just take those high. If she takes those high, then we might switch to go bearish. But 61.
ES. This is ES over here.
The right? ES just took that high, bro.
We got SMT.
Oh, it might be SMT. So,
I mean, we got SMT at the highs and SMT at the lows. So that's why I'm looking like, damn.
Hate when it go both ways.
Let's see what the 15 minute looking like.
I'm bullish.
15 minutes still look good.
Mm-hmm. Because the 1 minute, I'm looking at the 1 minute, bro. Like, so I'm seeing why we getting rejections, but the 1 minute ain't gave you the 1 minute hasn't given a breaker to be like, all right, I'm gonna close this one. That's just this is just a spot where it can reject that. But it should keep going, man, because of the SMT at the lows.
My problem is this play is because that last play took me down negative. This play is only going to probably net me just a little bit positive. I should probably just close now.
No,
why? It's a combine, nigga. Hold it, man.
Clear it and wait for the next play.
Man, let me ask you, what combine you trading?
This is a top step right here.
So you can't do more than 3 micros.
No. This top step X, I could do more than that. I could add more.
Oh. So with that being said, bro, you're supposed to be trading micros, bro.
He is on micros.
How many you have on there?
3 micros.
You got 3 on there?
Yeah, I have 3 micros, but I took a drawdown. Remember when it just whipped down real quick?
Yeah.
So like I'm negative 177 right now. With this play where it currently at is like 160, and it was at 178. So that's what I was saying. Should I clear it?
No. On the 5 minute, we're about to close above this down candle, bro. Just
hold it, nigga. You go through the pain. Go through the pain.
Stuff like that. Like, well, if you feel like it take 2 off, leave the 1. You know, I don't know. Like, I don't want to sit until you don't close nothing. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be saying that. But, I mean, I don't know, bro. It's just the process, bro.
You start feeling nervous like that.
I'm telling you not to close it, nigga.
Yeah, he doing it. That ain't me, folks.
I'm telling you not to close it.
Yeah, but then my target is like 63 right now, and if it gets there, I might be like, all right, I might have made like $50.
As of right now, we're gonna
take out 2, change it to 2, and hold the 1.
We're gonna get there, bro. We green on the 2 hour, on the 10 o'clock 2 hour.
This is what you want to see, bro. Watch the price, bro.
You want to see the SMT on the 5 minute.
Take your finger off.
And we shifted, bro.
Take your finger off the mouse and let it play out, bro. Take a breath, sit back, fold your hands across your chest, and let it play out, bro. I'm in with you. We either gonna win or we gonna lose, bro.
I said I'm in too. I share my screen with you and everything.
And I'm in the PA.
I'm in.
We gonna win or we gonna lose, bro. One or the other. One or the other.
Through the growing pains, man. This is growing pains. Hold it.
We gonna win or we gonna lose, bro.
She gotta take that high. She right there. She gotta take the high. She rejected off the 5 minute. Like everything is like clean right now. You just gotta hold it. I don't know about going way up there, but she could. Because ES already took its high. So if ES keeps pushing, NQ is really gonna. Why are you moving that up there, bro?
Well, first of all, I was just thinking about the Newsweek is 21.33. So I'm like, I don't know, does she want to go for that? Well, where's our liquidity at?
Okay.
It's either that or midnight, which is midnight. I feel like she'll be if she goes up to midnight, she's going to take these highs up here.
This 5 minute is bullshitting, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It's that FOMC, man.
Yep. Lower your expectation.
Yeah, you gotta lower your expectation of FOMC. If this was like a regular day, she would have been took this already, man.
Mm-hmm. We'd have been paid already.
There you go. Watch ES. ES is leading right now.
Yeah. And the Dow is dropping. Deep. Life is better when NQ is a leader.
Right.
For real.
Because ES be slow as hell.
Yeah, man. When NQ is not the leaders, take forever. Finna snatch back on us, Brody.
Yeah. She's still bullish on the 1 minute though.
Okay.
We're good.
All right. Boy got confidence. Okay. We ain't got no bullet yet though.
Yeah, she only made the 5 minute bullet. She not the 1 minute bullet. She ain't make no other bullet. Usually she make the 1 minute first, but then. All right, now she's worrying me. But we're right there, right? Okay.
Yeah, man. Watch price action, bro. The candle hasn't closed yet, right?
Let the 5 minute close before we make a decision.
5 minute close, right?
Looking at the one, but that's what be getting me out early. Oh, she shifted on the one. I'm out. Say if it ain't live, it ain't me.
Yeah, no kind of explosive movement, boy. Come on, all right, we're about to get a new 15-minute candle. Let's get above, close above that 15 minute. I needed to close above 44. 3, 2, 1. Bam, she closed above. Just barely. She just barely closed above 44. This is the 15 minute, fellas. So she body closure above that candle. Should mean we going in the right direction.
Is that a volume imbalance? Let's see, 15.
Oh,
Oh no, it's not.
I feel a retrace coming. Push. Let's go. Push. She can't do it. We need the YM to get right, man.
Should be going up. So this is the 5 minute range. Oh shit! What the hell is this?
what the fuck is going on?
We need the YM to fight back.
This is the 5 minute range right here. This line right here and this line right here. We broke out of that. We were in it, broke out. We here retested the top of it, which is also a gap, a 1 minute gap and a 5 minute gap.
Not liking it.
And so we should be going up.
Not liking
it. Should be. This thing is high resistance, man.
Well, should have been did that, man.
We closed above on the 15 minute as well. We closed above. We shifted on the 15. So we wanted.
Yeah, but we bullshit on the 5 though, bro.
Exactly, it's high resistance.
I don't like this shit.
Should have been doing something.
Don't make this gap. Don't come below here. Come below here, I'm closing you.
Got you shaking in your boots, man. Shaking in your boots.
Yeah, you know.
No, on a clean day, bro. On a clean day, that 5 minute, it would have jumped on that 5 minute, climb up, took the high. It would have been long done, bro. Long done. It's really because of FOMC, bro. We would have been long done because that was just a clean play.
There we go.
Because of that.
There we go.
You got to hold through it. You got to hold through this pain.
There we go.
But at the same, like, it ain't really pain if it's the 5 minute chart, though. You know what I mean? Like,
right.
just let the 5 minute, like you said, let the 5 minute candles finish, man. Let them bitches trade and see what they give you. Because again, watching the 1 minute is easy because they're going to 1 minute candle. They're going to, it's still going. You gotta wait on the 5, bro. Like,
you don't nigga the 2-step. You don't nigga the 2-step. Just hit stage 2. Let's go. Get that nigga the 2-step.
You need YM to get back above 10 o'clock.
All right, why you put your stop right now?
I don't think she should go below that candle no more.
She can.
On the 1 or the 5?
You gonna give me a 2-step. Bop, bop. Come on. Shift gears.
That's when you're going to need ES to push up.
Expand.
Expansion. Okay, YM in the lead. I mean, NQ in the lead right now.
Yeah, I was about to say NQ in the lead now, but
it's a good day when NQ lead.
Go gadget. Come on, hit that. Just reach up there and clip that thing. Boop.
I don't want no boop. I want a boom. Go straight through it. Take me to midnight.
You want the elephant stop?
Yeah, take me to midnight.
Top of the morning. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning, bro.
Where this man came from?
Shit, right.
It's been a time.
Oh.
I don't know, brother, man. Take your money, man.
I'm telling you not.
I just want to see where your head was at, bro. They're gonna be like, I'm thinking about it.
Go through the growing pains, man. This is how you hold. Watch price action. Man. Don't worry about the money. It's only what, 170? Bro, you can make that back easy.
Still look good on the 1 minute. It looks choppy, but we closing above on the 1 minute.
ES don't look good.
ES got a little bit of worry, but
ES looks trash right now.
I think ES is just waiting on NQ. ES waiting on NQ to say, "Come on, step it up, son." Get up there.
Yeah, that's all I was waiting for because the ES got a breaker on the 5 minute.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. Because it already closed above on the 5.
ES saying, "Get up there."
YM at midnight. ES came back to the order block.
There we go. Get up there. ES say, "All right, NQ, let's go." Waiting on you, Grandma. Always calling me Grandma. You're taking forever. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I would have been closed this bitch.
We know.
Oh, I know you would have.
James wouldn't tell you the whole, you'd have been out, bro. You got over 25 points, don't you?
Yeah, I would have been closed this. Especially because I'm red. That's why I would have closed. I would have closed it to clean up red at best and then look for another trade.
And that's when you go back red. I'm talking from experience. I ain't even dogging you. I'm talking from experience.
Because the setup ain't going to be right because you're going to have to, and I know what he's saying too, because all your setups really supposed to come off the 5 minute. You know what I'm saying? You're going to close that and then be looking on the 1. Just looking for some shit, bro.
Yep.
Because it's hard to get in, get out. Because again, it's hard when I'm selling it. Now all of a sudden, I'm gonna start banning it up. It was hard as hell to do that. Which, 7 minutes on this 15-minute candle, god damn.
Ain't went nowhere. Take my little chain to get up out of here, man. So she snatched back. So we definitely ain't trying to go up right now. Everything lined up for it, but
she's stalling out.
High resistance. That's a 15-minute gap too. Trying to take that high. 15-minute gap started at 950. That's where we're struggling at. Can't even get a body.
The ES took the ES above it though.
Yeah.
That's why I say on the 5 minute, the ES somewhere got a breaker unless, we playing that 5 minute, it's gonna come back lower. They gotta do a lot of shifting on the 5, and then
should take out a high before we turn around, though.
yeah,
Should. Just go up till lunch, man.
yeah, I mean, it's gonna go up because, like you said,
Man, I know Roger would have jumped out, man. When that thing dropped, bro, if he was not up here, boy, look at his finger. His finger is on the X button, boy.
You got the target, bro.
This is growing pains, bro. This is growing pains, bro.
That's exactly what it is.
Man.
Now you got one left. Ooh,
bro.
look at my dog holding.
Price action, man.
Look at my dog holding, man. Got one left.
Man.
Okay.
Yeah, if he was not up here, boy, that thing would have been done closed, man. That
shit if he wouldn't have had it on the screen
like 15 minutes ago, though. Y'all niggas, I would have probably looked to be entered back in. I would have closed 15 minutes ago.
Mm-hmm.
Right. All right. Now look. Go to the 1, right? Because you still go to the 1 minute.
I'm already I'm down to one contract, 1 million.
All right. Yeah, bet it up. All right. Now look. Let me see. On the let's be real honest. You would have closed it. Where would you have got back in at?
Nowhere. Because this thing was just going
let's
up.
Be honest, folks. Like for real.
Okay, so I would see this. I was looking at this right here as a breaker. I mean, as a order block, because it's been holding the price up 1, 2, 3 times. You saw him. I didn't move my stop.
Right, I hear that part, but where you was gonna get in at? Let's be honest.
Oh,
nowhere. Yeah. For real. Let's be honest. Exactly, bro. So let's this the part where you just gotta take the trade and get to the target. You can't play them games, folks. You feel me?
That boy's finger was on the X, boy. You saw that, boy? That man's finger was on the X. He was ready to close that mug. See, like now it can turn around, but again, you gotta watch price action. Let's see what it do.
It's in a 15-minute gap.
Oh, so if it's in a 15-minute gap, then I would.
And it took the high.
Yeah, I would have took my money.
But you know what though? It's if you go back to the 15-minute, we made a breaker right here.
Right, exactly. That's what I was telling you.
Breaker, we closed above. Let's go to the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, we also made a breaker right here. And
it's just making a breaker. Mm-hmm.
Right? And she closed it above. To be honest with you, we shouldn't go back lower than that.
Should keep going up. Should.
So
as long as we stay above 10 o'clock open, the 2-hour candle green.
Push to the 1 minute.
2-hour candle don't end till lunch. That's all I'm looking at. As long as we stay above 10 o'clock.
Still
open.
ain't make no 1 minute gap. Can you believe that shit? It's almost 10:30. We ain't make one gap yet on the 1 minute.
After 10.
I ain't never seen that.
What you mean a gap after 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Because after 9:30, you got a gap.
You had to delete my
after 10,
songs. I can't delete it.
After 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
You hear me, brother? You had to delete the songs. I can't take it off.
Oh, okay.
ANQ in the lead. It's a good feeling when ANQ in the lead.
Man, I have to go through this, man. I'm glad you had your thing up, boy, because I'm like, bro, this thing was clean.
He had to shut down. I've been closed. He'd be like,
hey. Why?
Man, it was playing too much.
I get it. Like, shoot.
Mm-hmm.
Even though I'm not in I'm watching your trade. I'm stressed. But at the same time, again, this is the growing pain, bro. That's how you hold these trades, by watching the price action, man. You got to watch what the candles do. If it's continuously showing that it wants to go up, you hold the trade, man. Like, nothing has shifted. Everything's looking good. It's just a retrace. It's a retrace is because you're like, man, I just want this thing to just move up and push.
Mm-hmm. Instead of coming back.
I just want to run it up, get my 25 points, and be out.
Yeah, but again, we got to take into consideration, like, we got FOMC, we got like all these stuff. It's not going to move the way it needs to move because of all this. So that's why you got to hold. Like I said, any other day, that thing would have easily got in and she would have been at 200, what? Yeah, 229. She would have touched that already.
I'm over 50
The
points
thing-
already.
Right, but the thing is, if you watching a 5 minute, you had to deal with it. Just be honest, looking at it, you had to deal with 5 minutes. 10 minutes of pain.
Exactly.
It hit the gap. You got just 10 minutes, bro. And it's tough because these 1 minute candles, there's so many of them. You like, man, what the fuck is it doing? But you look at the 5 minute, bro, and just
right.
You know what I'm saying? That was just 10. That was just 10 minutes. I mean, I guess
10 minutes
close
of
to
pain.
15 minutes. Yes.
10, 15
Them two
minutes
candles,
of pain.
bro.
It was just
five.
New wick high.
Keep pushing, man.
Keep
Come on,
pushing.
bro.
I'm still in. I ain't took nothing else. Call me crazy.
Come on. There you go.
Call
bro.
me
That's what I'm
crazy,
talking about,
man.
Jeremiah, man.
Call me
Hold
crazy,
that
man. I
joint,
might be crazy, man, but I'm still in it. Full pull.
Hey, Jeremiah, you think it's gonna take news wick high?
I wanted to.
I mean, so I don't.
Hey,
even know
this what I'm working on. This what I'm working on. Holding for the 2 hour candle. I'm paying attention to the 2 hour 10 o'clock candle, and so far it's green.
Mm-hmm.
And if it keeps pushing, we should stay in the same direction till lunch. 11:30. That's the lunch hour. That's when it starts. 11:30.
How many you got on?
2 micro.
Huh?
2 micro. Brought back.
Was this your combine? This your PA?
PA. I ain't on my bullet up. I ain't even turn around to press. I'm just in on top step. We get to this 15-minute order block, we might have a problem. 982. And we hitting these wicks. We could have a problem right here.
Nah, I mean, not really. But yeah, we could have just.
Oh, she made a silver bullet. I missed it at 23.
She gave you one? She finally gave you one?
Yeah, right here.
Mm-hmm.
At 10:23.
Mm-hmm.
She made another little one right here. Silver bullet up. Everything up.
I took one off right there. Pay myself for holding through this nonsense. Take one off. Cover my entry. See what happens. Trying to hold for the 2 hour candle. That's the goal for the day. Might not be the best day to play this game, but that's the goal for the day. That's the goal moving forward, matter of fact. Moving forward. Pay attention to the 2 hour open. 10 o'clock open. Hold for the 2 hour candle. I ain't tripping. I was just thinking I had plenty of time to turn around and press the button on bullet knock, but FOMC, I ain't tripping. I could not take a trade today and I wouldn't be mad. You gotta say that out loud to yourself, man. I cannot take a trade today. If I don't take any trades today in that account, I wouldn't be upset. $2 hours. 2 hour candle. 2-hour order block at 990 and 978. Shit, we just tapped 978. Marley, you checked the 2 hour? How you feel about it? Shit, a little bullish to me. Came back to the order block. Ran expansion, retrace, expansion. And that line up with AMD.
We trading a 1 hour gap though.
Yeah.
So long as the 5 minute don't shift, like you said, but it's still not. As long as the 5 minute keep doing what it's doing.
Check out the 15 minute from this morning. That's AMD. If we keep going up, accumulation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, manipulated down.
Distribute up. AMD.
And that's the swing high for
2030.
After 8:30. After 8:30.
Forward. Yeah, but 2030.
Oh.
2030. Check 5. California. We ain't got no good expansion where for me to hide my stop in profit. I just don't want to close below this on. Don't even come back to the low of this last 5 minute candle.
Yeah, it's definitely like not. It's super lagging.
Why else still ain't popped up?
I know that's what I'm looking at. That like, is that motherfucker making just? Is it building up liquidity down here? It's gonna slam their ass, take these highs because we still S&T at the highs. I just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just looking at it like,
Mm-hmm.
The ES did not leave a 15-minute gap, and we got 9 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. So the NQ, I don't know, G. It's a little tough right here for me. Because like I said, it's a 1 hour. We trading a 1 hour gap. Bearish. I don't want to just assume it's gonna blow through, motherfucker. But I don't want to say it's. Gotta wait for that confirmation to say it's turning around, but still.
Somebody said Apex having a sale. So you know what that means.
Apex having a sale?
Apex having a sale. You know they do that when the market finna get wild.
Was it 90 off or 80 off?
I'm just reading the text, bro. I ain't go to the website to check.
I know they had 80 off like yesterday.
They got 80 off right now, but I wonder if it's not. If it might be 90 off. I think James will buy another one.
There's still 80 on the side.
Buy one and charge back.
James and Sean.
What we doing, man? Keep pushing, girl. Keep on pushing. I ain't even trying to watch him. Marley, you close up?
Where you going to, Jeremiah?
No, I ain't closing. This is one micro running though.
She got to stop me out, dog.
Where you stop at?
Damn, she got to stop me out.
948.
9 what?
948 in profit.
What's your entry is after you took yours off? Man, 911.
5.
You doubling back on everything, every fucking candle. You remember what I told y'all this the other day too, man?
I'm at 933
all week.
I'm at 933. I let it dip down and come back, and then got in.
You know, somebody told me that they think that they got different speeds of the damn algorithm. Slow her down and speed her up. Right now we in slow mo. FOMC, we wild.
Bro, we already know that. They also got a seek and destroy model. We know that. And then they got go mode. You know, we coming here every morning hoping for go mode. You don't get that every day. Hit your entry, give you no heat, and just go.
I'm tired. I'm just let it run. If it hit me, it hit me. I fall asleep. Fuck it.
Hold on, man. You still in?
Me?
Let me check this thing out. Oh, my, he's still in. Look at him. All right.
Yeah, that's why I was asking you where your stop was.
Okay.
I put my
All right.
stop right there.
That's in profit.
My dog looking like a changed man, dog.
Yeah, but it's only
we got a changed man in the building, man.
I cleared up my red, but again, that's if it comes back, takes me out. So I'm gonna take it. I only have one micro. It's $65.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We're gonna let this thing ride out, man. We're gonna see what she do.
Yeah, if she gets to my target though, I ended it with $236 for one micro. Come on, go. Come on.
And you're in profit, man. You go do what you got. You go walk the dog right now if you want to. Whatever happened. We might be out right up. Let's see. She might want to come to the order block. I ain't trying to do all that.
The new 5-minute candle. You just do 5 minutes, just gotta retrace a little bit. Oh no.
Yeah, we took out a 15-minute high, so she definitely can retrace.
That's what I was saying. And then it's the definitely 1 hour gap too. It's S&T at the highs.
Definitely can retrace. Don't have to though. Cause we still green on the 2 hour.
Gotta be able to. You got these two down 5-minute candles. I hope it's gonna be an order block, and then this one's gonna flip green and go up.
The 10 o'clock open is a 5-minute order block, which she was playing at for 15 minutes.
Yeah, but I'm saying these two right here, these two 5-minute candles, is gonna be a propulsion block. I want this one that we're currently in to flip green and start pushing up.
All right. Yeah, I want that too.
She came back and touched the breaker.
Came back and hit the breaker. You right. 9:52. Now let's go.
Then what's that? 42. We still got a little bit for macro, but macro should take us where we need to go.
Lord knows, I hope we get there before then. But that ain't what she been given. It's gonna be another one of them days, Marley, in the trade at 11 o'clock. Come on, break.
Well, 11 o'clock might be the mood of today.
Take us back up, breaker.
11 o'clock might be the mood of the day, you know?
Take us back up, breaker. Breaker 19. Take us back up, baby. Take us back up, baby. got a break. That was the high. Okay.
And easy. I gotta start trading like Buddy for like how you said for we need this shit on the 5. Man, I ain't going no lower than that, folks. Like, cause if you trade out to 5, you gonna get the points.
You really could have went a little heavier today off the 5 if you waited till after 10.
Mm-hmm.
Either taking it off the order block or the 5-minute gap. And then they gave you another OB. I mean, 10 o'clock was an OB. Once we closed above that, that was another entry at 9:36. All right, the YM trying to come alive. $15 seconds, might close above midnight. ES still retesting 10 o'clock.
Right, the YM need to get above 10 o'clock. Once YM get above 10 o'clock, now we, you know what I'm saying, should get the rocking and roll.
Everything get aligned.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it look like YM finna get to doing it though. So.
Already got it.
Like this shit,
Let's do it. Let's do
this
it,
shit way
man.
simpler when you watching all 3 bro at once.
I'm watching them now.
I swear to God it is. And that's why I said at the lows, we got the SMT at the lows, and then it shifted.
Got my 10 o'clock line marked off for all 3 of them. So I can know what the 2 hour look like.
Mm-hmm.
2 hours.
Because all ES was doing was testing in the clock that opened it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, every 5-minute candle next year.
Every 5-minute candle came back and retested.
Every single one.
I'm looking at the 1022 candle. I want to see that be real.
And the YM bullshit holding the nigga down.
1022 propulsion block. You don't want to see the closure below 50% of that.
They came and got us, bro.
That nigga went to sleep.
Back on 4 minutes.
Why I don't want to come alive in NQ week. She did what she was supposed to do, but we already know this high resistance.
Or that 1 minute, or that 1 hour gap, bro. Yeah, sure.
Yo, I'm gonna shut the stream down early today. Probably shut it down in the next few minutes. We already know it's high resistance for the day. The 10 o'clock hour didn't want to move for us like we wanted to. The first shift at the 9 and the entry at the 10. First shift at the 10 worked out. Gave us a target, 961. Can't ask for too much more right now with FOMC today. And I'm gonna be back on around, say about 1:45 today for the funds rate announcement.